Local news for Thursday the 13th of February. Kapai Soup is on tonight in Carterton, promoting community-based development through crowdfunding, creativity, collaboration, democracy and fun. Up to 6 people will pitch their ideas on the night to vote for to vie for a pot of cash that's up for grabs. For the ticket price of $10, attendees get to listen, receive delicious soup and bread and vote for their favourite idea. Wairarapa DHB achieved compliance for its successful installation of improved bracing in the hospital ceilings last year. The seismic journey, however, is not over. This week, the DHB sees the start of installation of solutions to improve areas in the main building that might not stand up to a major earthquake. Areas included for strengthening are the likes of the canopy at the main entrance, ambulance bay, cafeteria and glazed walkways. And buses replaced some trains after a digger fell on the tracks at Wainawa yesterday. Buses were replacing the service between Masterton and Featherston. And fire crews were kept busy yesterday with vegetation fire call-outs, 2 coming within just 2 minutes of each other. And hundreds of fans and some impressive machines are expected this weekend for the Auckland Invasion drag meeting at Masterton Motorplex. Racing takes place on both Saturday and Sunday. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.